You're welcome back to class. In taking the second example, still has to do with conversion from one unit to another. And here we have, in our second example, we have 483 centiliters to be converted to kiloliters. And what we do, let's go through the simple method without calculation, but just with the usage of the table. Arrange it as it is on the board in solving similar questions. And I said this is a whole number, it's not a decimal number. Therefore, what do? You look for this unit, centiliter. Where is it on the table? Here is it. Locate it. Then from centiliter, are we moving to the left? This time around we are moving to the left, we are not moving to the right. And when we are coming to the left, it has to do with division. So what do? Locate the kilometer first. And here is the kiloliter. We locate the kiloliter first. So this is the column for the kiloliter. Now we've located the kiloliter, we've located the centiliter. So we are working within this range to this range. So go back to the question. This is a whole number, and therefore this three stands as a unit. And therefore it goes under this column, which 3 enters centiliter. So enter through the centiliter, fix in 3. Then the next figures, they are to the left. So you continue after one at the other. And remember, never to fix two figures in one column. And therefore you have 8. Here you have 4. But we are having this decaliter, hectoliter before kiloliter. There is nothing else in front of 4, which means is what? No figure. And no figure means nothing. Nothing is 0 in mathematics. So you come to the kiloliter and start with 0. 0. 0. That's all. You are finished answering your question. What else do? Lift the figure out of the table down for your answer. And this will give you 0, 0, 0, 4, 8, and 3. Now, the unit is going to be kiloliter. So this is kiloliter. And kiloliter is written. Do we walk away? No. You go back to check. Where is kiloliter? Kiloliter is here. So kiloliter starts from here. This is not kiloliter. All other figures to my right are not kiloliter. They are to the left. So, and the 0 to the far left here is the only one that is under the column of kiloliter. So you demarcate that, which is this decimal point. Which means when you have to fix in this figure on this table again, you see kiloliter, this 0 goes into this column. Then other figures will follow. And this gives you your final answer. And therefore this is 0.0483 kiloliters, not 0.00400. No, it's not 400. It's 483 kiloliters. Read it digit after digit, being the fact that is behind the decimal point. Now, the formal method or the old method has to do with multiplication, because we are moving from when you are going to the right, you multiply. When you are going to the left, you divide. But this time around, we move from the lower units to higher units, so we divide. And so we have 483 to be divided by what? So you go to the column, go to the table. This is kiloliter, this is centiliter. So from here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Now the answer now is going to be in kiloliter. And because this is a whole number, this is also a whole number, we multiply, we divide it, and then we bring out our answer. So let me put it in a simpler way for you to quickly do that. 3 all over 10, 1, 2, 3. 100,000 kiloliter. Shift the decimal point from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the figure here will be reduced to 1. Same thing you do to the number up, which gives you, because there's no decimal point, and I said when there's no decimal point, the decimal point is at the back of the last figure. So you come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is our decimal point. What digit is here? There's nothing there. This digit, there's nothing there. 0. So here is where the kiloliter starts from. And there is no figure there, so you can put 0. And this will give you 0.00 43483 kiloliters. So this is through the old method. You see how easy it is to finish this question without any stress while using this table. You arrive at the same answer, but look at the stress here compared to here. So please, I advise you use the table. Your figure comes out. With this, we've come to the end of calculation on capacity. You could have similar questions, just follow the same method and solve out your answer. See you next week. Bye and stay safe.